Welcome to our roundup of the best truck bed covers that combine protection, convenience, and everyday usability. Whether you use your truck for work, road trips, or weekend projects, a good bed cover keeps your cargo safe from weather, dust, and prying eyes while also improving your truck's overall look and efficiency. In this video, we have selected top-rated truck bed covers that stand out for their build quality, ease of installation, security, and durability. We will walk you through what makes each option special, how they perform in real-world use, and which type of driver they are best suited for. From roll-up designs to hard-folding covers, there is something here for every kind of truck owner. Make sure to check the description box below for the latest deals and offers. Let us get started and find the perfect truck bed cover for your needs. The first on the list is the Most Plus roll-up cover. The Most Plus roll-up cover is designed for truck owners who want a simple, affordable, and reliable way to protect their cargo. Its heavy-duty vinyl construction, quick clamp-on installation, and weather-resistant sealing make it a very practical choice for daily use. This cover focuses on convenience without sacrificing essential protection, making it ideal for people who frequently access their truck bed. One of the biggest advantages of this cover is how easy it is to install and use. You do not need to drill or make permanent modifications to your truck. The clamp-on system allows you to secure it in place within a short time, even if you are not very experienced with tools. Once installed, the roll-up mechanism works smoothly, letting you open or close the bed in seconds. This is especially useful if you often carry different types of loads and need flexible access to your truck bed. In terms of protection, the vinyl material does a good job of keeping rain, dust, and debris away from your cargo. While it is not a hard cover, the tension system keeps it tight and prevents water from pooling on top. The edges are sealed properly, so you can drive in bad weather without constantly worrying about your items getting soaked. It also helps reduce wind drag, which can slightly improve fuel efficiency during highway driving. Durability is another strong point for this model. The aluminum frame supports the vinyl cover well and keeps it stable even at higher speeds. The material itself is designed to resist cracking and fading, so it holds up well over time with regular use. It also gives your truck a cleaner and more streamlined look, which many drivers appreciate. Overall, the Most Plus roll-up cover is a great entry-level option for truck owners who want an affordable, easy-to-use solution for everyday protection. It may not offer the same level of security as a hard cover, but for light to medium-duty use, it delivers excellent value, convenience, and dependable performance. Next up is the Rough Country Hard Roll-Up cover. This model is built for drivers who want to step up in security while still enjoying the flexibility of a roll-up design. Its aluminum slat construction, low-profile design, and enhanced locking system make it a strong and versatile choice for both work and travel. Unlike soft roll-up covers, this one uses interlocking aluminum panels that roll up neatly toward the cab. This gives you much better protection against theft and heavy impacts, while still allowing full access to the truck bed when needed. The low-profile design sits close to the bed rails, giving your truck a sleek and modern appearance without adding unnecessary bulk. Installation is still quite straightforward, even though this is a more advanced cover. It uses a rail system that clamps onto the bed, so no drilling is required. Once installed, the rolling mechanism feels smooth and solid, and the cover locks securely when the tailgate is closed. This means your cargo stays protected both from the weather and from unwanted access. Weather protection is another area where this cover shines. The aluminum panels are sealed tightly, and the built-in drainage system helps channel water away from the bed. This keeps your gear dry even during heavy rain. The sturdy surface also handles snow or debris much better than soft covers, so you do not have to worry about sagging or damage. In daily use, this cover feels very premium and dependable. It is slightly heavier than soft covers, but the added weight comes with much better security and durability. Overall, the Rough Country Hard Roll-Up cover is an excellent choice for truck owners who want a balance between flexibility, strength, and a clean, professional look. Next, we have the Top Tiny Hard Folding cover. This cover is aimed at drivers who want strong protection and fast access to their truck bed. Its solid aluminum panels, quick folding design, and high load-bearing strength make it a reliable option for both work and adventure. The folding design is one of its biggest advantages. Instead of rolling, the cover folds into sections, allowing you to open part of the bed or the entire bed depending on your needs. This is perfect for people who often carry larger items, but still want the option to keep part of the cargo area covered and protected. Security is a major strength here. The hard panels are tough and resistant to impacts, making it much harder for anyone to break in compared to soft covers. When the tailgate is closed, the cover locks in place, adding another layer of protection for your tools, luggage, or equipment. This makes it especially useful for contractors or anyone who leaves valuable items in the truck bed. Despite its solid build, The cover is not difficult to install or remove. Most users can set it up without professional help, and it can be taken off when you need to carry very tall cargo. Overall, the Top Tiny Hard Folding Cover is a strong, practical choice for drivers who want durability, security, and flexible access in one well-built package. Next, we have the Calf-Free Hard Trifold Cover. This cover is designed for truck owners who want a combination of strength, simplicity, and quick operation. Its trifold aluminum panel system, tool-free installation, and strong weather sealing make it a very appealing option for everyday use. The trifold design allows you to open and close the cover in seconds. You can fold it partially or fully, depending on how much space you need. This makes it very convenient for people who frequently switch between carrying large and small loads. When fully folded, it stays securely in place, so you can drive without worrying about it moving around. In terms of protection, the hard panels provide solid security against theft and rough handling. The aluminum construction is strong enough to handle heavy use, and it also resists corrosion and wear over time. When the tailgate is closed, the cover locks in place, keeping your cargo safe and out of sight. Installation is very straightforward and does not require drilling. This makes it a good choice for people who want a strong, secure cover without a complicated setup process. Overall, the Calf-Free Hard Trifold Cover offers a great balance of strength, convenience, and protection, making it a dependable upgrade for almost any truck. The last one on our list is the Tootle Hard Shell Folding Cover. This is the most premium option in this lineup, designed for truck owners who want top-level protection and a refined user experience. Its full hard shell construction, high load capacity, and advanced locking system make it stand out as a truly heavy-duty solution. The first thing you notice about this cover is how solid and well-built it feels. The hard shell panels are extremely sturdy and can handle significant weight, which means you do not have to worry about damage from heavy snow or accidental impacts. This also adds a high level of security, making it very difficult for anyone to tamper with or break into your truck bed. The folding mechanism is smooth and well-engineered, allowing you to access the bed quickly when needed. You can open it partially or fully, depending on what you are carrying. When closed, it sits firmly in place and locks securely with the tailgate, giving you peace of mind when leaving your truck unattended. Weather protection is excellent here. The tight seals and solid construction keep water, dust, and dirt out very effectively. Even in harsh conditions, your cargo remains well protected. The exterior surface is also designed to resist scratches and fading, so it keeps its premium look for a long time. Overall, the Tootle Hard Shell Folding Cover is a top-tier choice for anyone who wants maximum protection and a premium feel. It is ideal for both work and travel, and it delivers outstanding performance in every important area. So that wraps up our list of the best truck bed covers. Each of these options offers something unique, whether you are looking for lightweight convenience, strong security, or premium-level durability. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay equipped.